Now let's talk about Java method return type. A Java method may or may not return a value to the function call. We use return statement to return any value. For example, in this case, we have this say hello method that didn't return anything. It will print only a message, hello from the method, and will exit and finish its execution. If the method has anything to return, we should specify its return type here. So, for example, static. As I told you, later on we'll talk about the static, but we need to focus on the return type of the methods in Java. Int add numbers. I'll create an int x equal to 10, int y equal to 20. The returning type of this method is related to this keyword here, to the return type that we specified before the method name. So I should return a result in form of int. So for example, I can create int z equal x plus y. And I can return this z because z is an integer. You can see the return keyword. Here we're returning the variable z. Z is an int and it's matching the return type that we specified here. Otherwise, it will return an error. So for example, if the returning type of this method is string and I return an int, it will make and generate an error. Now, let me call this method add numbers. This add numbers will return a value. So I should store it inside a variable of the same type int. Or I can call it inside system.out.print. So for example, int w equal add numbers. I called this method. Returning type is an integer, so I returned 10 plus 20 is 30. This 30 is called and returned and stored inside the variable w. Let's print here. I created this string and I created and called concatenate w variable, which is an int. Run the program. And here we go. The value of w is 30. Okay, so in this video we'll learn about the returning type of the methods. Using the return keyword is crucial and very important when you have a returning type. If we remove the return statement, you can see that there is an error telling us missing return statement. Okay, so another note I should mention, you can directly return variable z or the summation of x plus y directly without using another variable. So I can write here and remove z, return x plus y. So this operation will take place and return the result as 10 plus 20, 30 and store it inside w. Of course, I can also comment this and directly call here the add numbers method because its returning type is an integer. Integer can be concatenated with a string and the result would be the same. See, the value of w is 30.